So we're going to switch the word that is instructed, and we're going to change anything in the structure that also needs to change between present or past. I will go ahead and say the sentence, say the word that you should change, give you a moment so that you can produce the complete sentence. And after that, I will say the complete sentence too, so that you can go ahead and check your answer and make any corrections. Remember that you can repeat this as many times as you need. At least the first 2 times, I recommend you to take a look at the book or look at the video on YouTube so you can follow what is written on the screen and on the book. The ultimate goal after constant repetition for internalization of the structure is that you are able to just listen to the word and produce the complete correct sentence without looking. But in order for that to happen, you first have to do it with the book open and repeat it and correct it as many times necessary. If you have any questions, leave me a message in the comments or send me a message over WhatsApp. I'm more than happy to help. Let's go from the example, and it says, we should return the books tomorrow. Yesterday. We should have returned the books yesterday. Could have. We could have returned the books yesterday. Repeat. Very good. Tomorrow. We could return the books tomorrow. Repeat. Play tennis. We could play tennis tomorrow. Repeat. So before we continue with the exercise, remember, if we are speaking in past, we have to use have and the action in past participle. If we are speaking about present or future, we use the action without any changes. Okay? So we could play tennis tomorrow. What's the sentence with yesterday? We could have played tennis yesterday. Repeat. You must have. You must have played tennis yesterday. They. They must have played tennis yesterday. Repeat. Might have. They might have played tennis yesterday. Tomorrow. They might play tennis tomorrow. Repeat. Go to the bank. They might go to the bank tomorrow. Should. They should go to the bank tomorrow. Yesterday. They should have gone to the bank yesterday. Must have. They must have gone to the bank yesterday. Heard the news. They must have heard the news yesterday. Might have. They might have heard the news yesterday. Gone to Chicago. They might have gone to Chicago yesterday. Tomorrow. They might go to Chicago tomorrow. Okay. Help us. They might help us tomorrow. Might not. They might not help us tomorrow. Return the books. They might not return the books tomorrow. Yesterday. They might not have returned the books yesterday. We. We might not have returned the books yesterday. Should have. We should have returned the books yesterday.